Quantum entanglement, the spooky connection that defies space and time. Have you ever wondered how two particles can be connected across vast distances instantaneously? What if I told you there's a strange phenomenon in the universe that allows that to happen? Yep, we're diving into the bizarre world of quantum entanglement. And speaking of strange connections, why did the quantum physicists break up with their partner? Because they couldn't agree on anything, even when they were right next to each other. Let's explore this mind-bending concept that challenges our understanding of reality. What is quantum entanglement? At its core, quantum entanglement is like a magical bond between particles. Imagine you have two dancers, perfectly in sync with each other, performing a beautiful routine. Even if you separate them by miles, with one dancing in New York and the other in Paris, they still mirror each other's movements. This is similar to what happens with entangled particles. When one dancer does a spin, the other does it instantly, no matter the distance. In the quantum world, this means that measuring the state of one entangled particle instantly affects the other, like they're in a cosmic dance-off that defies the limits of space and time. Historical background. Let's take a brief jaunt back in time. The story of quantum entanglement began with revolutionary thinkers like Albert Einstein and Niels Bohr, who were instrumental in shaping our understanding of quantum mechanics. Einstein famously dismissed entanglement as spooky action at a distance because it seemed to contradict the finite speed of light. Fast forward to the 1960s, John Bell proposed a set of experiments that would test these ideas, leading to groundbreaking discoveries that confirmed entanglement as a real phenomenon. It's a scientific saga where skepticism eventually paved the way for remarkable insights into the universe. Visual explanation. Let's visualize this mind-bending concept. Imagine two boxes, each containing an entangled particle. You can think of these boxes as sealed envelopes of cosmic secrets. When you open one box and peek inside, you instantly learn the state of its twin in the other box, regardless of how far apart they may be. Maybe they're on opposite sides of the universe. This magical instant communication defies everything we think we know about the world. To put it more simply, if you were to check the state of one entangled particle and discover it's spinning up, the other must immediately be spinning down. It's like they have a telepathic connection, sharing information in the blink of an eye. Real-world applications. Now let's talk about why this matters. Quantum entanglement isn't just a fascinating puzzle. It has the potential to revolutionize technology as we know it. Imagine a world with quantum computers that can solve problems millions of times faster than our current tech. Or consider the future of secure communication through quantum cryptography, where any attempt to eavesdrop would instantly alert the parties involved. We could even be looking at the early stages of quantum teleportation. Yes, teleportation. Just think, one day we might be able to send information instantaneously across distances far greater than our wildest dreams. Personal connection. Honestly, quantum entanglement has me fascinated. Every time I delve into the mysteries of the universe, I feel like I'm uncovering a thrilling plot twist in the story of existence. I remember watching a documentary that explained it so colorful and engaging that I couldn't help but jump out of my seat, ready to explore the universe myself. It reminds us all to remain curious. There's so much wonder waiting to be discovered. Call to action. If you're just as amazed by quantum entanglement as I am, I'd love to hear from you. What thoughts or questions do you have about this incredible phenomenon? Drop them in the comments below. And if there's another science topic you're curious about, let me know, and I might just cover it in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our journey into the mysteries of the universe. To wrap it up, quantum entanglement is not only a mind-blowing concept, but a gateway to the incredible possibilities of modern science and technology. Remember, every curious mind contributes to our collective understanding of the universe. Thank you for watching, and keep questioning the wonders around you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the cosmic dance of existence.